Are you ready to witness the future of programming? Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's a game changer that's reshaping the way we write software. From auto-completing code to generating entire functions, AI is revolutionizing the development process. In this video, we'll dive into the latest AI tools, editors, and techniques that are making programmers more efficient and creative than ever before. For example, GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant developed by GitHub to help developers write code more efficiently. Launched on June 29, 2021, after a beta period starting in June 2020, Copilot provides code suggestions and completions based on the current coding context, allowing developers to focus on problem solving rather than manual tasks. GitHub Copilot, a collaborative effort between Microsoft and OpenAI, leverages machine learning for code assistance and has been proven to boost productivity and accelerate software development. GitHub Copilot significantly boosts coding productivity through several key features. Firstly, it provides real-time code suggestions based on the current context, accelerating the coding process. Second, Copilot can automatically complete functions or entire code blocks from just a signature or comment, significantly reducing the amount of boilerplate code that needs to be written manually. Additionally, Copilot is contextually aware, learning from the surrounding code and comments to provide relevant suggestions for specific tasks. It supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, enabling easy context switching between different projects. By offering inline suggestions, Copilot minimizes the need to consult external resources, helping developers maintain code. Furthermore, Copilot empowers developers to quickly prototype ideas or test code snippets without worrying about syntax errors, fostering creativity and experimentation. For beginners, Copilot serves as a valuable learning tool, demonstrating functions and patterns using algorithms. Moreover, Cursor is an AI-based code editor that enhances efficiency with intelligent features and workflow optimization. Positioned as a significant advancement, Cursor is akin to ChatGPT, but tailored to understand the code base. It offers various interactive methods to enhance the development experience. Cursor is an advanced AI-powered code editor built on Visual Studio Code. It is designed to enhance the coding experience by understanding existing code, suggesting improvements, and generating new code snippets. Key features include intelligent code completion, an always-on autocomplete function, and a user-friendly interface that allows both novice and experienced coders to work more efficiently. This innovative tool significantly streamlines the coding process, reducing errors and accelerating software development. Cursor AI transforms Visual Studio Code into a supercharged code editor with advanced functionalities. It utilizes artificial intelligence to understand and improve existing code while generating new snippets whenever necessary. The editor enables users to modify entire classes or functions simply with prompts, enhancing productivity. It features a persistent autocomplete function that predicts edits, offering suggestions across multiple lines of code. The platform analyzes the user's code base, providing valuable insights to reduce common coding errors. Cursor aims to facilitate software development for both beginners and seasoned programmers by streamlining the coding workflow. As an AI-powered tool, it leverages sophisticated models to assist users in creating more efficient and effective code. Additionally, Bolt.new is a web application that employs generative AI models to create fully functional web applications. It enables users to generate, execute, debug, and deploy full-stack applications in real time without manual code. While it has some limitations, its user interface is highly. Bolt.new is revolutionizing web development with its innovative approach. Its AI-powered platform allows users to create, run, edit, and deploy full-stack applications entirely within their web browser. Gone are the days of complex local setups. Bolt.new streamlines the process, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The platform embraces the power of open-source technology. By making the source code freely available, Bolt.new fosters collaboration among developers. Users can modify and redistribute the code, contributing to its continuous improvement. This open approach fuels innovation and empowers developers to tailor Bolt.new to their specific needs. Efficiency is at the core of Bolt.new's design. Users can effortlessly prompt the AI to generate code, run their applications in real time, and make edits directly within the interface. This user-friendly environment eliminates technical barriers, making web development more approachable for everyone. Ultimately, Bolt.new combines the power of AI with the collaborative spirit of open-source development. It empowers developers to create personalized web applications with ease, opening doors for a new era of accessible and innovative web creation. Recent advancements in the field of AI programming have led to significant improvements in various tools that enhance the capabilities of robotic systems. A notable example of this is Pano Radar, a cutting-edge technology that equips robots with an enhanced perception of their surroundings by utilizing radio waves. This innovative system represents a major leap forward in how robots interact with their environment, particularly in situations where traditional light-based sensors, such as cameras and LiDAR, may struggle to function effectively. The core functionality of Pano Radar lies in its ability to use radio waves to generate intricate 3D images of the environment. This breakthrough technology allows robots to navigate and operate in conditions where visibility is compromised, such as in darkness, fog, or smoke. The design of Pano Radar is particularly impressive. It features a rotating array of antennas that continuously scan the surroundings, combined with advanced AI algorithms that process the data to produce high-resolution images that rival our LiDAR system. The antennas send out radio waves that bounce off nearby objects, and the AI processes this information to construct a detailed 3D map of the environment, providing robots with a robust understanding of their surroundings. AI is also impacting app development, enhancing both the development process and user experience. By 2022, Gartner predicts that 80% of smartphones will feature on-device AI capabilities, presenting significant opportunities for app development. Here are some examples of AI applications. Google Assistant can be accessed via the home button or voice command. It enables hands-free tasks like messaging and music playing. Socratic, a smart tutoring app that analyzes math problems from images and provides solutions. Microsoft Pix captures multiple frames per shutter click using AI to select the best shots and save storage space. In fintech, AI is disrupting traditional financial institutions by streamlining operations. For instance, banking apps allow users to photograph checks for immediate deposit, thanks to AI's ability to read checks without human intervention. Machine learning also aids in fraud detection. Metal is developing AI tools to identify duplicate expenses and policy violations. Chatbots are now common in banking apps, enhancing customer service and allowing users to manage accounts through platforms like Facebook Messenger. Moreover, fintech is an area where AI can strengthen cybersecurity, as its scalability and data analysis capabilities help protect financial systems. Recent developments in the field of artificial intelligence, particularly concerning programming, have begun to highlight several innovative and transformative trends that are reshaping the landscape. Among these key advancements is the emergence of multimodal AI, a sophisticated technology that is capable of processing multiple types of data simultaneously, such as text, images, audio, and more, which enables it to understand and interact with a wider range of inputs more effectively. Another significant trend is agentic AI, which represents a leap forward in the capacity for autonomous decision-making, allowing AI systems to operate independently in various contexts and make decisions based on the data they analyze. As these technologies evolve, open-source AI frameworks are becoming increasingly popular, fostering collaboration among developers and enhancing accessibility to advanced tools and resources. This growing community-centric approach encourages innovation and makes cutting-edge AI technology more reachable to a broader audience. Furthermore, the development of retrieval-augmented generation techniques is enhancing AI's capabilities significantly, allowing systems to generate responses that are not only accurate, but also contextually relevant, thereby improving user interactions and satisfaction. The surge of AI-powered tools in the market encompasses diverse applications in software development, including AI-driven code generation and debugging solutions. These advancements are streamlining the programming process, making it more efficient for developers and more accessible to those who may be new to coding or looking to enhance their skills. Overall, these trends in AI are revolutionizing the programming domain, paving the way for a future where technology and human input work hand in hand to achieve remarkable outcomes. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the programming landscape, transforming the way software is developed and used. By leveraging large data sets and advanced algorithms, AI enables the creation of intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and automate tasks. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, leading to more accurate forecasting and decision-making. Additionally, AI-powered tools streamline the software development process by automating repetitive tasks, such as code generation and bug detection, freeing up developers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This integration of AI into programming not only adaptability allows them to handle complex problems and generate innovative solutions. For example, AI algorithms can analyze historical stock market data to predict future trends, enabling investors to make more informed decisions. Moreover, AI-driven automation can significantly reduce the time and effort required to complete routine tasks, allowing workers to focus on higher-value activities. The impact of AI on programming extends beyond automation and efficiency gains. AI-powered tools are transforming the way developers work, providing them with intelligent assistants that can suggest code improvements, identify potential errors, and even generate entire code segments. By leveraging AI, developers can write cleaner, more efficient, and more reliable code. Additionally, AI-driven data analysis tools enable business